everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I want to talk to you about these lights that I got from the company Goodland Tech. So these are LED strip lights that can go in a closet or underneath a cabinet because they are completely wireless, as you can see. And they come with this strip back here that you can stick onto any surface because it is a sticky. It comes with a charging cable like this. So this is not going to require batteries. I love that. This is a motion sensor and it will detect when someone enters a room, but it also will detect when there's too much light. So it'll automatically turn off. So blue light, warm light. I think this is just a white light. Look at that illumination right there. So I might just be using this for filming actually, and not in my closet because the light that these give off are fantastic. Hello, my new best friends. So if you need LED lights that you can stick anywhere under cabinets in any corner, check these out by the Goodland Tech. I am really happy with them. And I guarantee you're gonna find somewhere to put these. And that's my point of view.